Coordinating clauses with and but. We know that the coordinating conjunction and joins together two equal words or phrases, such as a cat and a bird, or pink and blue. And can also join two clauses together. Here we have the clause, the cat ran outside. We also have the clause, it jumped on the wall. The conjunction and can join them together. You now have the two clauses joined together into one sentence. The cat ran outside and it jumped on the wall. You need to remove this full stop and change this capital letter to make the sentence correct. The cat ran outside and it jumped on the wall. Now it's your turn. Can you join together these clauses to make 3 sentences using the conjunction and? Pause the video to give yourself time to think. You could have joined them in any order. This is just one way, but notice that I have removed the full stop after the first clause and changed the capital letter at the beginning of the second clause. The kitten was playful, and he loved to purr. The cat was tiny, and he was very naughty. Bob was a ginger cat, and he had striped fur. The conjunction but shows that two clauses have differing views. For example, I want to eat chips, and they're not good for me, becomes I want to eat chips, but they're not good for me. Notice how I've removed the full stop after the first clause and changed the capital letter at the beginning of the second clause. To make the sentence, I want to eat chips, but they're not good for me. Now it's your turn. Can you join together these clauses to make 3 sentences using the conjunction but? Pause the video to give yourself time to think. My dad is on a diet, but he really wants chips. Fiona loves chips, but they're not healthy for her. I want to eat chips, but my mum won't let me. Which conjunction should be used in these sentences? Pause the video if you need time to think. You may like to speak them aloud to help you decide the job the conjunction needs to do. The blue whale is the biggest mammal and it can grow up to 33 meters long. A cheetah can run at 70 miles per hour, but it can only do this for about 20 seconds. Here, I want to join the clauses to make a full sentence. Carlos ran up the pitch. Which of the following clauses is going to make sense in that sentence? Carlos ran up the pitch and passed the ball. Now it's your turn. Pause the video if you need time to think. Marika plays ice hockey, but she hates the cold. It was raining, but the tennis wasn't cancelled. Shireen had a new bike and rode it for miles. What is the conjunction in these sentences? Pause the video if you need time to think. You should have spotted these conjunctions. It's night time and it's raining. It's snowing outside, but I'm not cold. There was a storm and my little brother was scared. It's really warm outside, but I'm wearing a jumper. Remember, coordinating clauses are joined by a conjunction, but each conjunction does a slightly different job.